Hello everyone, if you are looking for home decor items under 500 then this video is for you because today I am sharing home decor item that I bought from Flipkart. So without any further delay, let's start. फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है ये बेडशीट। अगर आप बेडशीट देख रहे हैं जो लाइट शेड में हो तो इस तरह की बेडशीट आप चेक कर सकते हैं फ्लिपकार्ट से, वेयर यू विल गेट वेराइटी ऑफ बेडशीट इन अ वेरी रीजनेबल रेट। एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस बेडशीट इज जस्ट ₹349। आपको सेम प्रिंट में और भी कलर्स मिल जाएंगे। Flipkart brings best deals on decor and furnishing, up to 80% off on furnishing and decor. All the products are under budget and you will get never before prices on furnishing and decor. A soft bed sheet plays an important role in providing a good night's sleep. Now fortify yourself for an energetic day ahead by enjoying a comfortable night on the quality bed sheet from Flipkart. 100% cotton crafted from 100% cotton. Beautiful floral bed sheet with 2 cushion covers. Take a look at this beautiful battery operated string light for home decoration. The size of this light is 196.85 inches. It is in a set of 2 and the cost of this decorative light is ₹399. This is a unique decor item, umbrella plastic key holder. It comes in a pack of 3 and the cost of this pack is just ₹175. No drilling required, it's a self-adhesive. A compact wall key holder ideal to be placed in the entryway or any hall to hang your keys or any small items. This wall key holder will add convenience along with the elegance, made of premium high grade plastic. इंस्टॉलेशन बहुत इजी है। उसके साथ एक छोटा सा होल्डर मिलता है, उसको आपको अम्ब्रेला के अंदर में इंसर्ट करना है इस तरह से, और बस आप अपने वॉल को क्लीन करिए और इस एडहेसिव अम्ब्रेला को हैंग कर दीजिए। सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दे आर लुकिंग। बट इसमें ज़्यादा वेट आप नहीं हैंग कर सकते हैं, जस्ट आप अपने हेडफोन या छोटी कैंची या अपने जो मार्क्स होते हैं उनको आप हैंग कर सकते हैं। Now presenting beautiful tea light holder. Flipkarts provide you cash on delivery, free delivery and 7 days return policy. This tea light holder are so beautiful, can be used in a dining rooms or halls for decoration purpose and parties. And amazing thing about this product is that it shines like a diamond whenever a tea light is burned inside. And price of this beautiful tea light holder is $451. Next product is this oxidized golden metal tortoise on glass plate. Its cost is ₹253. This tortoise is made up of metal and the plate is glass plate. Beautiful decor piece for your center table in very reasonable rate. Flipkart provides you genuine brands and top brands at unbelievable price. Just grab it. Next is this jute table runner and the cost of this table runner is just ₹231. Jute material is natural, durable and washable. Size of this runner is 13 inches into 13 inches, that means 30 cm into 150 cm. As this is made up of jute fabric, so they are not watertight and not totally spill proof matte. Very beautiful design, and it comes in a different colors. The product I am showing in this video, you will get the link of all the product in the video description. Next runner is of cotton candy white table runner, and the cost of this table runner is 435. And the size of this table runner is 182 centimeter. Next product is handcrafted wooden wind chime, and the cost of this wind chime is just rupees 164. So just bring home this wind chime and hang it in your balcony or near any window at your home and create a calm, peaceful and elegant atmosphere. This is purely handicrafted and easy to use and clean. And moreover, it is a weatherproof. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वाइन चैम और इसका कलर कॉम्बिनेशन भी बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. So just grab your favorite decor items and enjoy 80% off on furnishing and decor. And that's all about this video guys. I hope you like this video. If yes, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. I will meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.